Okay, third period. Now that we've done number 3, let's go ahead and take a look at number 14. So I'm on page 192, and this is number 14. All right. Number 14 is 2 3/5 plus 4 1/3. All right, remember from last time, the first thing we want to do is find a common denominator. Okay? All right, so we start by listing the multiples. So the multiples of 5, I'm going to list 5 of them, are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Now let's take a look and see if we find one that they share, and they do. The first one that they share is 15. So I'm going to rewrite these fractions with a denominator of 15. So I'm going to find equivalent fractions that have a denominator of 15. So I'm going to write 2 3/5 equals 2 and something over 5. And then 4 1/3 equals 4 and something over, let me go back, I'm sorry. 2 3/5 equals 2 and something over 15. And 4 1/3 equals 4 and something over 15. So we've rewritten our fractions using a denominator of 15. Now our next step is to figure out what we had to multiply our denominator by to get to 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. Therefore, 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 5 is 15. And so 1 times 5 is 5. So here's my new fractions. 2 9/15 plus 4 5/15. Okay, if you remember, the second step is to rewrite our mixed numbers as improper fractions. Okay, so in order to do that, we'll use what we've been calling the Texas method. We put our T and our X, and we go from bottom to top. So 15 times 2 is 30, plus 9 is 39 over 15. And TX, 15 times 4 is 60, plus 5 is 65 over 15. Okay, now all I have to do is is add the numerators. So 39 plus 65, let's see, 39 plus, okay, so we know that 9 plus 5 is 4, carry the 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6 is 104. So 104. And does our denominator change? Nope, it stays the same. So 104 over 15. And we know that the last thing that we need to do is use our bow tie method to change our improper fraction into a mixed number. So bottom out, top in. So I will do 15, 104. So 104 divided by 15. Let's see, 15 goes into 90 6 times. Do you think it can go? It's not going to be able to go in another time because it's 104, not 105. So this will go in 6 times. 6 times 15 is 90. And we have a remainder of 14. So it's going to be 14 over 15. And that is my answer. 6 and 14 over 15.